Caslemead. Ensuring you are covered. Property renovations. What is the issue? Properties undergoing renovation pose a higher risk to insurers than normally occupied property. Fires caused by contractors undertaking hot works, theft and malicious damage when unoccupied all increase the risk. What is the relevance to my insurance? We need to tell your insurer if you carry out renovation works at your property. If you do not tell insurers, you could invalidate cover for misrepresentation and breach of the alternation of risk condition. You should also check with the contractor carrying out the works that they hold public liability and contract works insurance in case of site damage during the contract period. A JCT minor works contract makes you, as the employer, insure the building in joint names with the builder and arrange works insurance for any additions. This will need to be on a separate policy. If your office is being renovated, your insurer needs to be informed, as they will be inclined to restrict cover. What are the regulations? CDM regulations govern the health and safety responsibilities for the project. You have duties to appoint a competent person to run the job and to check risk assessments and method statements. What is the small print? Your fire insurance policy will have a hot work condition. A hot work permit is a multi-part form that outlines roles and responsibility and the scope and timing of work to take place. It should be completed and issued based on previously completed risk assessments, method statements, and fire risk assessment for the works, as well as a physical inspection of the work area immediately prior to the work commencing. See our video on hot works permits for more information. What do I need to do? Inform Caslemead about the particulars of the works being carried out well in advance of commencement. You could invalidate your insurance and/or breach a policy condition. All insurers require that you tell them about property renovations. When your building project is complete, you should obtain an accurate rebuilding cost to make sure your property is insured for the right amount. Speak to Caslemead to understand the small print on your insurance policies. View our previous video on hot works permits and download a permit from the Caslemead website. Caslemead, where small print matters.